Hello, my presentation. Hello everyone, my name is Diego Fabian Salinas Rico. I am 29 years old. Was born in Florencia, Capital. Now I am a student of the Environment Engineering program at UNAP. I am a nurse and work in the Cross Red Colombia. I like music, reading, swimming, traveling, about art, learning new things. I live with my mother. I am single. Description: visit the city of Neiva Huila. Neiva is the capital of the department of Huila. It is located in the Magdalena River Valley in south-central Colombia. There are the different places visit and they are beautiful. There are also many tourists. There is a diversity of animals. There are secret rivers above, and there is great culture open the doors to Colombia and the world. And most important, there meet people who are an excellent human quality. What we call you win affects live and neighbor will. And you had some time about neighbor will. Thank you very much.